Welcome to DeltaPi, Episode 2 of our tutorial series, where we dive into creating an interactive chatbot with vision capabilities using the OpenAI API for artificial intelligence. In just 3 minutes, I will guide you through the essential steps to integrate vision functionality into your own personal chatgpt, without the need for monthly subscriptions. First, we open Visual Studio Code. We then import the necessary libraries, specifically Streamlit for the interface, OpenAI for the AI interaction, and Base64 for image processing. To connect to OpenAI, we need an API key. You can obtain one by registering on the OpenAI website and subscribing to a plan. We begin by setting up the title of our Streamlit app, DeltaPi Chatbot Vision. We add a sidebar feature to upload multiple image files, supporting formats like PNG, JPG, and JPEG. This allows users to interact with the chatbot, not just through text, but with images as well. Once the images are uploaded, they are displayed in the user interface. For each uploaded file, we convert the image to a Base64 string in order to get the image URL. Next, we create a chat message to greet users and initialize a chat history to keep track of the conversation. This ensures a seamless user experience with every app rerun. When users input a prompt, we display it in a chat message container and add it to the chat history. To integrate Vision with our chatbot, we send the user prompt and the uploaded image URL to OpenAI using the GPT-4 Vision preview model. This step allows our chatbot to understand and respond to both text and visual content. Upon receiving the response from OpenAI, we display it in the chat message container and add it to the chat history. This interactive conversation now includes image analysis, enriching the user's experience. This integration not only enhances the chatbot's capabilities, but also opens up new possibilities for image classification, object recognition, and more. With these additions, you now have an advanced interactive chatbot, capable of understanding and analyzing images, elevating user interaction to a new level of engagement and functionality. Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope it inspires you to further explore artificial intelligence and vision capabilities in your projects. See you